Hey, this is Jason with PTCI, and we are going to look through Hulu with Live TV, the Browse tab. When you move over to the Browse tab, the first thing you're going to see is this list. They've got, it's basically a different way that you can look through the guide. They've got shows broken down by networks, TV shows, movies, Hulu Originals, FX on Hulu, kids, sports, and genres. Now, if we start in the networks, it's going to show live programming that's on in the first tab of it. So you can see everything that's live on those channels. You can also break it down into categories like entertainment, sports, kids channels, news channels, and then also programming that's only available on demand. So you will see some channels that don't show up in your guide on here, and then some that do, but they all have content on here that is not available anywhere else than right here. And then the final tab is A to Z, which just means all of your channels are listed in alphabetical order here. Then we can move down to TV shows, where it just breaks it down into those. First tab is For You. This is based on your likes. It will put up the shows that it thinks you might be interested in. Live programming that's on right now. Popular shows. New episodes. Hulu original shows. Newly added. Content that is based on books. Quick bites. Now, quick bites are very short. Most of them are around 10 to 15 minutes long. Binge-worthy TV. It's where you might want to watch, if there's a show you like, watching episode after episode. They also have it by categories. If you're a home and cooking show person, true crime, terrifying TV, which I'm sure is more in the horror and suspense category, full series comedy, full series drama, anime favorites, classic cartoons, teen shows, international shows, 90s families comedy, classic sitcoms, the college years, and staff picks as well. Then they have it broken down and browsed by movies. If you're just a movie buff, they've got ones picked out based on my likes here for you. You can also see what movies are going on live. Now remember this, if you see something that you like, let's say you wanted to watch this Flatliners movie. You can click on it and go to live. And then when it gets there, you can push the up arrow. And remember, from the live app, when you hit here, you can move over and hit the start over, and you can actually watch that movie from the very beginning. If you hit the back arrow, that'll bring me back where I was in that menu. This shows upcoming movies, so these would be movies that are coming up mainly today, probably even some of them that might air tomorrow. Popular category, featured, Hulu original movies, movies that are newly added, ones that are exclusive to Hulu, family movies, action, romantic comedies, 80s movies, documentaries, independent movies, critically acclaimed, foreign, cult classics, and also staff picks as well. Then you've got a category for Hulu Originals, which Hulu has their own original content, so these are a lot of those shows. You can look under the categories of newly released, popular, drama, comedy, documentaries, kids, Into the Dark, and also just have them listed in alphabetical order on A to Z. There's also FX on Hulu, Kids, Sports, and then also you can go to genre where it breaks it down by action, adult animation, adventure, anime, black stories, cartoons, classics, comedy, cooking and food, crime, documentaries, drama, family, game shows, and it just keeps going on and on. So that is the Browse tab on Hulu with Live TV.